The doubters around me, I told them to stop. Your girl optimistic, my God never missing. Some negative energy, I had to block. I had to listen and keep it persistent. My own competition.
Hey y'all, what's up? It's your girl Chrissy Candy back with another video. Today is oh my gosh. Today's a very gloomy day. It was literally sunny 30 minutes ago, and now it is like almost pouring, about to pour actually. Alright, yeah, that's enough. I'm about to go inside and yeah, do this video real quick. Okay guys, so basically today I'll be doing a reaction video to one of my favorite dancers. His name is Michael Lee. You can find him on Instagram, I believe, at just Michael. He's an amazing dancer. I really love his style and his creativity and his dancing. It's just really cool and like authentic. He's just an amazing dancer overall, and I believe he creates his own choreographies like in all of his videos. So yeah, he's just an amazing dope dancer. He's just an amazing dancer. And if you want to check out his what am I saying? His YouTube page, it is Michael Lee. That's basically where he posts all his dance videos. We're just gonna check him out right now, and yeah, I'm gonna be watching a dance compilation of like his best dance routines and stuff. So let's get into it. Full screen already. Come on. Okay. Just Michael.
You speak dead down. Talk about jet now. We'll play radio. Especially leaks now. I just got a new farm. I go party beat now. I got a dog with me.
That's cool. I like that.
I want some inside now. Like call my now. You got a Harley Davidson now. My fancy rigs now. I do the whip no eggs now. I got chips and bigs now. My Luke can't kick it now. My trouble shit now.
I love his backup dancers too. Oh. That's really good. I like that one. That's a ooh, I like the fit, you know, they're matching. I like that. That's really, it just makes the routine look more coordinated, you know? Hey, let's go. It's just like simplicity, but it's just so dynamic at the same time. You know what I'm saying? Like, it just has a vibe. Okay. Okay, this is definitely not one of my favorite, but it's pretty cool. It has a vibe, you know what I'm saying? It has a vibe. Not my they're so dope. Okay. That's cute. I like that. Hey. I like that. Oh, one went down and one went up. Oh, that's dope. Ooh, hey! I forgot Alyssa's sister's name. I remember when he used to make videos with Alyssa World. There's dope. I mean, he still makes videos with her, but like, it's like a group of them now. It's just so lit. I forgot what their crew is called. Adios. Adios. I don't know the song, but it's cool. Alright. Okay. Ooh. I wish I could dance like that. Hey! This video, I don't know how long this video came out. I never seen this one. I basically watch almost all his videos, so I never seen that one though. No, it's buffering. Why is it buffering? It's almost done. No. Would you stop freezing for me, please? Just what? Stop being stupid. Only if it would work. Okay, we're back in business. I'm using my tablet. I don't think it needs to be this song. Just go hard, not gonna lie. Chase the money, chase the money, hey! Ooh! Hey, I love that move, yo. I can't. I'm not good. So dope. Damn. Hey. Oh, it's so dope. Oh, there goes Alyssa World. Oh my gosh, I love her. Like, the way she dresses, her style of dressing is just amazing. I love it. I just love it. Oh wait, that's her. Oh no, yeah, that is just Michael. Hey. Oh, that's it. Ah, that was lit. Those are really nice and really cool. Like, you know, they have a vibe to it. They have a groove and whatever. But I don't think those are the best for me. To be honest, like, he has way better ones, honestly. And his recent ones are really dope too. Like, more creativity keep coming into it. I'm just like, yo, bro, teach me your ways. Like, teach me your ways. But thank you guys for watching. You can go check him out if you guys want to. If you're a dancer, you love to dance and want to be inspired, go check him out. His name is just Michael on Instagram. And yeah, thanks for watching. I hope to see you guys in my next video. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, leave a comment down below. Which one do you think was like the best out of all of them? Like, honestly, I like the second to last one, the one where he was wearing the camel pants. Yeah, that was my favorite one out of all of them, to be honest. I really like that one. Tell me which one you guys think was the best and let me know down in the comments. Don't forget to turn on your post notification bell so that you can get notified whenever I post a new video, and we can keep this rolling. Do you mind being on my vlog? Can I post this on the internet? Did y'all see that lightning? Did y'all see that? Oh my gosh. Yo. It was so loud. Like, I literally almost like threw my phone. I didn't throw my phone. Like, I dug. Like, something like hit me in the head. Like, that was scary. Like, wow. Alright guys, so that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching me almost get struck by lightning, but you know, God is great, God is amazing. God bless y'all, have a great day, and see you guys in my next video.
The doubters around me, I told them to stop. Your girl optimistic, my God never listens. Some negative energy, I had to block. I had to listen and keep